Meaning of gift wrap.
Gift wrap.
Gift wrap.
Gift wrap.
Gift wrap. Gift wrap refers to the act of wrapping a present in decorative paper or other material to make it look more attractive and presentable. This can include adding ribbons, bows, and other embellishments to make the gift even more special. Gift wrapping is often done for special occasions such as birthdays, weddings, and holidays like Christmas and Hanukkah. By using gift wrap, people are able to show their thoughtfulness and care for the recipient, and it adds an element of surprise and excitement when the gift is opened.